Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm going to tell you all about how to make a fanoos. Fanoos in Arabic means lantern, and there are many beautiful tales about the fanoos. I'm going to leave you to check them out and see which one you like. What I'm making is a fanoos that you can use for multiple purposes, whether it's for a bunting or whether to apply to your wall or whether to hang. You can do many things with this. Be versatile with your fanoos and decide what you want to do and what colours you want to use. This is quite a simple activity, so if you're rushed for time, this is one that you can definitely do, get stuck into with your children. Enjoy this, don't forget, subscribe, like, share and comment. Assalamu alaikum.
You can print off an image off your computer if you wish, but I've created my own template for my fanoos. I've printed this onto black card, that's the colour I want the actual fanoos to be. Because I am using black card, I have to make sure that the lines I'm using are prominent, so I might have to adjust the colour. I've cut around the outside of the fanoos, and now I'm going to use a ruler and a stationary craft knife to cut into the windows. I can now cut neatly into my windows. Once my fanoos are ready, I am going to choose my tissue paper which I want to appear on the back. I've chosen white tissue paper with silver speckles. I'm measuring out my window sizes and I'm cutting out the shape to appear on the back. I want the silver speckles to show through the window of the fanoos, so I'm making sure I glue down the right side. I'm now neatening off the edges by cutting off any excess white tissue paper that appears on the sides. And finally, I'm adding a sticky gem on the top. You can do anything with this, but I'm going for simplicity because this is going to be added to a feature wall. My fanoos are hanging on invisible string and each string is at a different length. I like the idea of having a standing light and having a shadow reflecting off of the fanoos. Do check out my video on how to make a Ramadan moon and like, comment and share as always.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.